making his way to the ring, making his MWHB debut, Mr. Pip.
Look at this stud. Look at this. I don't think I'm getting horny on this.
I'm getting horny right now.
Look at those pants. Those pants are so sensual.
Pip is horny all night long.
He's got a good sense of humor too for a hardcore wrestler.
And his opponent from the Dark Carnival. Also coming in tonight from Budapest, Hungary, the Elephant Man. What's up, ladies?
He is the TV title champion.
Oh yes, that's right. He is the TV champion. Oh, look at this hard ass.
Oh, he's going naked now. I just want to tell you right now, this is the Gauntlet Man.
This is a gauntlet match.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Yeah, let's get rolling.
We're going to ready to start this Gauntlet Man.
Oh, this is the gauntlet.
We're going
Yeah.
to grapple. We got him in a boat. We got him in a side
Headlock.
headlock.
Oh, elbow by Pip. 2 elbows, 3 elbows by Pip. Give me up.
Right.
Oh, takes him down. A kick by Pip. Just laughing at him.
Spaz away.
Oh boy.
Pip.
Wrestler, but spaz away.
Oh, backbreaker for Pip. Stop laughing, Pip. Pile driver. Uh-oh. Pile driver. Pip. He's unconscious. Pip is unconscious.
Hey, where's the ref? We got a ref in here?
Hey, referee. No, we'll pass.
We got a ref coming in. 1, 2. 2 count.
Very well.
Pip.
We only got 2.
Only 2 count. Only 2. Elephant Man setting up the ladder.
Referee Calamity in there.
Pip!
Big fist of fury.
Pip with the side headlock.
What we're going to see here.
Pip.
He's confused.
Pip is confused.
Oh.
Oh, the hip toss variation. Pip picks him up.
DDT. Suck up.
Stuck the DDT.
It's all
Pip.
over.
The ref is
Oh,
saying
he gets back
timeout.
up.
Elephant
Oh.
flex.
Oh, Christ.
Pip still laughing.
Bring out the EMTs. He could be done, folks.
We need EMT Kyle Field.
He could be at home making an omelet with his exit.
What's this? Oh!
He dropped him on the back of his head.
Yes, he did. Elephant Man getting to his feet.
Well,
Tells the goose.
Sucks!
Oh, no.
doesn't look like that shit.
Pip slowly getting up. Uh-oh. Hurricane Rana by Pip. Onto the sheet metal.
I never saw that coming.
Neither did I. Pip setting him up for the DDT.
Oh,
No, he's not.
Going some hole in his
No,
face.
he's setting up for the pile driver. No.
Sit down, pile driver.
Sit down, Facebuster.
His knees are broken.
His knees are
It
broken.
appears Ultimate Man's wearing red boxers.
Yes, he is. What's this by Pip? DDT by Pip. He stuck him.
Oh, Calamity's doing something.
Pip
Oh.
with the butt drop onto the Elephant Man.
He'll be over soon, folks.
Goes for the cover. Pip.
Calamity.
1,
2.
2. Oh, Elephant Man.
A
knocks
2
him
count
off.
only. Only 2.
2 count.
Good job, Calamity.
Pip. Being set up. Oh, tilt-a-whirl backbreaker by the Elephant Man on Pip. Gives Pips the kick.
Those are butane sounds in my book.
What's this?
Oh, big
Picks him up.
swing. Maybe. Sling.
Oh, the slingshot.
He almost hit the ladder.
He was pretty close.
Oh,
Pip is
something's
still
falling in
laughing.
there. Right.
He's got the board.
Oh no.
2 chairs.
Setting him up. Going for the chairs. I'll give him one. There's the other. Ref asking Pip if he was going to make it.
It's
Pip.
okay. He's alive.
He's alive.
And he's moving.
And it's the wrong way, Elephant Man.
Oh.
Pip gets up.
He's stunned
Pip,
still.
Pip is still stunned. Oh, a kick.
What do we see here?
Setting Pip up. Oh, he goes through the table. It's over.
Whoa!
He can't handle
Those
that.
tables are terrific.
He could have broke his tailbone on that shot. Reverse powerbomb! Oh, his head is hard.
Those are the greatest tables on the face of the earth. What am I supposed to do now?
El hombre de elefante. Uh-oh. He's got him set up.
The powerbomb pin. He broke out. 1, 2, oh.
Reversal.
1, 2.
Reversal.
What the heck is going on over here?
Jeez, Jim.
Misfortune.
Oh, kick to the lower shin area.
Oh, he did it. Misfortune.
Chris misfortune.
1, 2. Oh, he kicks out.
Yikes.
Oh, he's got him up. Oh.
Oh, Fiendbuster. Whatever.
Oh, he's got
We're gonna
wood.
try it again.
They're gonna try it again. Why don't you go the other way this time?
Because I'm a whore.
Yes, you are.
How much?
John's a whore. John's a whore. John's a whore.
Oh, big push down.
The push down of Mr. Pip. Mighty Elf. Could we see
Here comes trouble, folks.
picking Pip up? Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh!
He's not laughing
It was a reverse insider's edge flip over.
1, 2. Oh, Pip kicks out.
He's got
Oh,
Pip
so
is
close.
a hardcore wrestler.
Look too, buddy. Looks like you're screwed.
I think Pip lost his breath. Pip's still laughing. He's been laughing for the 7 minutes of this match. Not taking wrestling very serious.
He says no, not again. Oh
Right.
boy.
What is this?
Oh, he's on the ladder.
Pip lost his breath. I still don't think he can breathe. Oh, the kick by Pip.
Oh,
Pip.
He's setting him onto the table. He set him strong.
Pip. Oh, elbow to the nuts.
This is an ultimate moment in MWHB history.
Good point by the cameraman. 2, 3. He beat him. 3. But it's the gauntlet for Pip. He's still got to face one more wrestler. Who is it?
Coming out.
Who is?
Come on, let's get up.
Oh! Here comes HPN.
Oh, God.
The sexiest man alive. High performance Noel. Pip getting punched. Oh,
Fist of Fury.
HPN
Body shots.
killing Pip. Oh, he drops the gloves. What's
Oh.
this? The gut wrench.
Oh, he's just holding there like it's nothing.
Oh, reversed by Pip.
The reverse bulldog. Butane stomps.
Oh, with the glove.
He's holding himself.
Oh, a reversed by HPN. Double-legged takedown.
Pants are falling off. Hey, how you doing?
Oh, no one's on the top rope here.
HPN's got the sheet metal.
Oh, and the tailbone.
No more tables, come on. No more tables.
Pip asking for no more tables.
Oh, please.
Will, no, go with it. Yes, no.
Shut up, you little kid.
No, no.
F you.
F you.
He says no. He's just gonna use the boxing glove.
Again. I think he likes Pip.
I don't like tables.
Pip doesn't like tables.
Oh,
Could we
poor
see the
Pip.
nullifier?
He's giving the signal. No, he's not.
No, DDT by Noel.
Trust.
Oh, could he be going top?
Pip has been going through hell and high water here.
Flood.
The flood.
High water flood.
High water flood.
What is this?
HPN, he's got the kendo
That's
stick.
Fiend's kendo stick.
Oh! Oh! Oh, match is over. He can't handle it.
Flex the guns, baby.
Come on, he's a human
HPN is
being.
flexing the gun. Can you just end this match, HPN? No, he wants to continue on.
What's this?
The STO. Could be a setup to the nullifier.
On to the unforgiving ground.
What's he calling for? He's calling for the ladder.
He's going top
Is
rope.
no going top rope? Oh, he's calling for a table.
But he's no.
Pip does not like tables. We know that for a fact.
Are you still alive down here?
As we all know, Pip eats off the ground, not tables.
No looking for a table.
Nullifier, nullifier, no. Sexy man alive. No. Hey.
Oh!
Oh, if you take a look over
Pip.
the front here, it says frog.
To the table, Pip. Pip's misfortune.
Thigh kicks, he's kicking him down. That might be the only way.
Have him standing on one side, you're standing on the other. Give him Pip's misfortune to the table. No. Where's he going?
Noel's moving over.
He's trying to make Pip's misfortune to the table.
Oh, Fist of Fury. What's this? Oh, Christ.
Oh! One, two. Noel is still undefeated. He has not lost in 9 months of MWHB action.
Woohoo! HPN.
HPN.
Got a boner.
HPN. HPN.
Oh, I see a chub.
Jim.
Back on his feet.
Oh, somebody's coming into the ring.
Gut wrench.
Or not.
Sit down, gut wrench. Sit down, maneuver.
Oh! Go range power bomb. No sit style.
G-U-T-W.
R. Go, there goes Calamity with his hands again.
Oh.
Another one.
More tables, more tables.
How's the nullifier?
The table. He spoke. He spoke, Tony. Tony, he's speaking.
Ooh.
This has got to be it.
What are you doing?
This match is a 5-minute time limit.
I think it's gone a little more. Watch yourself, Noel.
No, Noel's gonna kill himself.
Okay, you're set up good. Come on, Nick. Oh! Through the table.
Are you gonna pin him or just stand there?
He's on the chair.
Authority.
Count him. 1, 2,